we will create this e-commerce store. So we have all these products. We have subscribes to newsletter. This is just frontend and design. There is no functionality, so we will code just frontend in this video. If you need e-commerce coding and development services, check my portfolio below, and contact is also below. So let's just create this component, e-commerce store.tsx. This is the only component that's going to contain everything. Now, if you want, you can separate it. But for now, just to keep it simpler, I'm just going to put everything here. And you can find this code in my GitHub below, but make sure to find this exact component in the components folder, and other components are for different tutorials. So we're going to import React. We're going to import all of these icons from Lucid React. And then you need to npm install Lucid React. And let's create the products. So ID, name, price, rating, and URL. So you can find these images also in the public folder below. Make sure to download just these images, because other images are for other tutorials. So we have summer cut, luxury watch. We have a bunch of these items. Okay, let's go below. So this slash table lamp JPEG, this means that this is inside of images, inside of public folder. So if I say images slash, then this images folder is inside of public folder, and then inside of that there is this image. So this is just inside of public folder. Let's make the component return div header. We're gonna make a div inside shopping bag and just say e-store. So if I go check what we have, so this is, let this load first. So this is what we got for now. Then let's say navigation. We're gonna have home. We're gonna have products. About contact. This doesn't do anything right now. You can implement scrolling. Just use the smooth scroll. So assign IDs to these sections and then use the smooth scroll index. Just say how to scroll to ID in React, for example. Okay, let me save this. We're gonna have these here. Let's continue div and then search icon, heart icon, shopping cart, and menu icon. So if I save all of that, this should push. Yeah, this should be placed like this. Let's go below main. So this is the main section. I don't know why it's messed up, but let's continue. Class name, style. So background image. I just put this URL from Unsplash. So you see, I have URL, so background image URL, and then make sure these quotes are different. This is double quote, this is one quote, and then the image URL. Make sure to put this exact syntax, cover and center. So if I go here, I'm gonna find this image. Below, div, welcome to eStore, and then discover amazing products and unbeatable prices. Shop now button. So this should stretch. Yeah, so this is what we have by now. Shop now should just maybe scroll to the products. Let's go say section, div, featured products. This is section for products. Div, map all the products. Div, and then div inside. This is for each product. We're gonna have another div inside. This will be image URL. So this is the image of the product. This is product name. And then below div is gonna have price to 2 fixed decimal points. And below that, let me see what this looks like. So now we're gonna list all of the products. You see what we did so quickly. And I think now let's do the star. This is reviews. And we're just gonna say rating. So if I go here, we're gonna check, we're gonna get the rating here. Let's go below, say button, add to cart. Doesn't do anything right now. This is just kind of UI. Okay, section below. This will have div, but let me check what this button looks like as well. This is what the button looks like. Okay, so div So section and 2 divs. Let's say div title, why choose us, and then unordered list. So the first element, we're going to have arrow right icon and high quality products, and then another list element, fast free shipping, and then a few more list elements. So if I save this, let me check what this looks like. It's like this. Let's continue below this div. We're going to add another div, so this will be for the newsletter, so div inside. Subscribe to our newsletter, and then this paragraph, and then div input email, placeholder, enter your email and all this good stuff, and button subscribe. So let me see what it looks like. It looks like this. Let's go below. So we have footer, div, about us, paragraph, div below, quick links, and then we're gonna say home, products, about, but this doesn't lead anywhere right now. We can use the scrolling functionality. And then contacts, and then div below, but let me see what this looks like. If I save, this is what it looks like. Let's say contact us, and then paragraph. This is the email, and then the phone number. Oh, this is just address. Okay, so div below, and then this is whatever this is. Yeah, this is just copyright notice. This is what we have. So this is our store. We coded it very quickly. There is no functionality. You can check my other tutorials for functionality if you want. Thank you for watching. If you need e-commerce development services, check my portfolio and my contact below. Goodbye.